Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software, which is Wave and QuickBooks. So let's get started. In 2025, Wave remain the go-to option for freelancers and small business owners who want a free, easy-to-use accounting platform. It covers the essentials like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and a basic report without charging a monthly fee. For startup or solo professional, Wave's clean interface and a zero-cost setup make it incredibly appealing. While QuickBooks, however, is the industry heavyweight, it offers advanced features like payroll integration, inventory tracking, time tracking, cash flow forecasting, and a detailed financial reporting, making it ideal for growing business and accountants who need more robust tools. Where Wave wins on simplicity and cost, QuickBooks lead in depth and scalability, but that power comes at a price. QuickBooks subscription can cost and add up quickly, especially if you need a payroll or multiple users. And here's the very conclusion: choose Wave if you are just starting out or need a straightforward accounting with no fees, or opt for QuickBooks if your business is growing and you need advanced functionalities and integration. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.